page number 112, question number 6. Paswadal Steel Limited issued 15,009% debentures of 100 each at a price of 80 per debenture. The amount per debenture was payable as under. Now कितने का debenture है? 100 का, पर क्या price पे हम issue कर रहे हैं? 80. तो we are giving a discount of rupees 20. 25 with application, 35 on allotment after discount. So bracket में क्या लिखोगे? 55 minus 20. 55 minus 20. पता चला ना? डिस्काउंट के बाद it is 35, so डिस्काउंट से पहले it is 55. And 20 on call. Company received application for 15,000 debenture and all are sanctioned. The company received the full money called on allotment and received full amount on call, except call on 800 debenture. What is this? Calls in arrears. Past necessary journal entries in the books of the company. Let's do the working. Application 25. Allotment 55. Now we have discount. Just like we had premium, here we have discount. Calls. So 100 minus 20. Total 25, 35, 20, 80. Application and issued are the same. 15,000 debentures. Calls in arrears. For how many debentures? 800 debentures. Journal in the books of Paswadal Steel Limited. Bank account debit. How many debentures? 15,000 debentures at the rate 25. 3,75,000. 2. 9% debenture application account. 3,75,000. Second, 9% debenture application account debit. 3,75,000. 2. 9% debenture account. 3,75,000. Third, now allotment will call 9% debenture. Allotment account debit. 15,000 debentures. How much amount I am calling? 35. 55 is the amount of face value. I am giving discount 20. So I am calling how much? 35. मेरा जो debenture holder है वो कितना pay करेगा? 35. So into 35. 5,25,000. Then this discount is our loss. So we debit debenture discount account. 15,000 debentures into 20, 3 lakhs. 2. 9% debenture account. 15,000 into 55, 8,25,000. Next, now we received the full allotment money. So fourth, bank account debit. 15,000 debentures into 35, 5,25,000 to 9% debenture allotment account, 5,25,000. Fifth, we'll call this 9% debenture call account debit. 15,000 debentures into 20, 3 lakhs to 9% debenture account, 3 lakhs. And then finally, bank account debit. Now, these 800 debentures ka call we did not receive. We did not receive for call money on this 800 debentures. So we received for how many debentures? 14,200 debentures into 20. 2,84,000. Now what about the remaining? That is our calls in arrears. Calls in arrears account debit. 800 debentures into 20. 16,000. To 9% debenture call account. 3 lakhs. That's it. Question number 7, page number 112. Dynamic Limited of Ankleshwar issued 30,000 12% debentures of 100 each, on which the amount per debenture was payable as under, with application 35, on allotment 40, on first and final call 25. All the debentures were applied. Palak, holder of 1,000 debenture, paid the entire amount on his holding on allotment, where Akash, the holder of 400 debentures, failed to pay the allotment and call amount. All the amount on allotment and call were duly received on all remaining debentures. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transaction in the books of the company. Now, what is the total amount of debenture payable? 35, 40 and 25. So it's already 100. Okay. So let's do the working. Question 7. Page number 112. Application. $35. Allotment 40. First and final call 25. 100. Palak, holder of 1,000 debenture, paid the entire amount of his holding on allotment. So at the time of allotment, Palak paid first and final call on 1,000 debentures as our advance. Understood this? So how much did Palak pay? Paid 40 also and 25 also. Understood this? Then Akash, holder of 400 debentures, failed to pay allotment and final call. Here we did not receive allotment on 400 debentures and final call on 400 debentures. Application and issue 30,000 debentures. Journal of Dynamic Limited. First, bank account debit 30,000 debentures into 35, 10 lakh 50,000 to 12% debenture application account 10 lakh 50,000. Second, 12% debenture application account debit 10 lakh 50,000 to 12% debenture account 10 lakh 50,000. Third, 12% debenture allotment account debit 30,000 debentures into 40, 12 lakhs to 12% debenture account 12 lakhs. Fourth, now over here, bank account debit. How much we have called? 40 rupees. There no please. 40 rupees. हम क्या करेंगे to make it simpler? ये 30,000 जो है उसमें से 1,000 अलग कर देंगे और ये 400 भी अलग कर देंगे. ठीक है, तो रह गया कितना? 28,600. बराबर है. या फिर another option is सिर्फ 400 को अलग कर दो, इसके अंदर इंक्लूड कर दो. So over here, ध्यान दो. So on 28,600 debentures, we got rupees 40, which comes to how much? 11 lakh 40,000. Okay. Now on these 1,000 debentures, we got 40 plus 25, that is 65. So 65,000. Understood this? ये 400 पे तो हमें कुछ भी मिला नहीं है. We have not received anything on 400 debentures. Understood this? Now, what's the total? 12 lakh 9,000. Calls in arrears. Calls in arrears. ये 400 debentures पे we did not receive rupees 40, which comes to 16,000. 2. 12% debenture allotment account, which is 12 lakhs. And 2. Calls in advance. Now 1,000 debentures पे कितना एडवांस मिला हमें? 25, which is 25,000. Check. Debit is equal to credit हो गया. Always have a habit of checking this because यहाँ पे combined entry है. There are 2 debit effect and 2 credit effect. Bank account debit. Now कितना पैसा मिला हमें? डायरेक्ट 28,600 पे तो कंप्लीट 40 रुपीज मिल गया जो हमें मिलना चाहिए था, तो 11,44,000. 1,000 debentures पे instead of 40 some rich person gave us 25 more, so 65. तो 65,000 मांगा नहीं, फिर भी एडवांस में दे दिया. Okay, but this 400 debentures held by Akash, he did not pay the allotment money, तो वो आ गया हमारा calls in arrears. Is this clear? अभी तक हमने ये फाइनल कॉल मंगाया नहीं है, इसके लिए एडवांस में जो पैसा मिला है that is still our liability and hence we credit this. This we did not receive, it is receivable, hence it is debit. Understood this? Okay. Fifth, 12% debenture, first and final call, account debit, 30,000, debentures into 25, 7,50,000, to 12% debenture account, 7,50,000. Sixth, bank account debit. Now out of 30,000, again 1,000 pay already we had received and 400 pay we have not yet received. So on 28,600 debentures we received 25 rupees, which comes to 7,15,000. That's it. Understood this? अब ध्यान दो, ये जो calls in advance है, अब हम यहाँ पे उसको adjust कर देंगे. So calls in advance account debit, we had already received this. So 1,000 debentures into 25, which is 25,000. Calls in arrears account debit, 400 debentures, 400 debentures into 25. How much? 10,000. To 12% debenture, first and final call, 7,50,000. Question 8. Charmy Fashion Limited issued 1,20,000 10% debentures at the face value of 200 each at a premium of 10%. Amount was payable as under with application ₹100 including premium and the balance amount on allotment. Okay, now what is the face value? 200. 10% is the premium. So what is the premium amount? 20 rupees. Now at the time of application I am calling how much? 100 including premium. So what is the face value component in this? 80 rupees. तो वहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में लिख दो 80 plus 20, जो हम वर्किंग में भी लिखेंगे 80 plus 20 and remaining allotment पे कितना आएगा? 120. The debentures are redeemable after 7 years. Applications are received by the company for 1,50,000 debentures and the allotment of 1,20,000 debenture is made on pro rata basis. Underline this. What is the meaning of pro rata? So जिसने 15 डिबेंचर अप्लाई किया उसको 12 डिबेंचर्स मिला, जिसने 150 डिबेंचर्स अप्लाई किया उसको 12 डिबेंचर्स मिला. अंडरस्टूड दिस? ओके. excess amount on application. Say for example, you applied for 15 debentures, you got 12 debentures. So बाकी का पैसा जो है, that is excess with the company. Excess amount of application is credited to allotment account. You understood this? मेरे पास जो excess पैसा है मेरे debenture holders का, जो ideally I should refund, but because मुझे उनसे वापस allotment का पैसा लेना ही है, तो मैं जो मिला है excess पैसा उसको ट्रांसफर कर दूंगा टू allotment. Understood this? Okay. Amount due on allotment is fully received. Pass journal entry on the issue of debenture in the books of the company. First, always we'll do the working. Question 8. Page number 112. Application 80. Premium 20. Total 100. Allotment. Since the face value is 200, allotment is 120. Application 1,50,000 debentures. Issued 1,20,000 debentures. Balance 30,000. Adjusted in allotment. No refund. We are not going to give any refund. यहाँ पे कोई reject applications नहीं. पता चला what is reject application? कि 1,50,000 था उसमें से 10,000 reject कर दिया and बाकी को pro rata दिया. यहाँ पे वो rejection concept नहीं है जो shares में था. याद आया? शेयर्स में ऐसा रिजेक्शन कंसेप्ट भी था कि इतने शेयर्स को रिजेक्ट कर दिया और बाकी को प्रो रेटा अलॉटमेंट किया. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. जर्नल ऑफ चार्मी इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड. Now here we have only two set of entries over here. Okay, so first, bank account debit 1,50,000 debentures into 100. One crore 50 lakhs. To 10% debenture application account 1 crore 50 lakhs. Second entry, important, 10% debenture application account debit 1 crore 50 lakhs. 2. 10% debenture account. Now how much we are going to issue? 1,20,000 debentures. At the rate how much? At the rate 80. Always with the face value. 96 lakhs. 2. Securities premium reserve account 1,20,000 debentures at the rate rupees 20. 24 lakhs. 2. What about that 30,000 debentures into 100? What about that amount? That will be adjusted in allotment. So 2, 10% debenture allotment account, 30,000 debentures into 100 at the rate rupees 100, 30 lakhs. Third, now we call the allotment 10% debenture. Allotment account, debit 1,20,000 debentures into 120, 1 crore 44 lakhs. Two, 10% debenture account, 1 crore 44 lakhs. Fourth, bank account debit. कितना आएगा बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट? Already we had received 30 lakhs. Already received 30 lakhs. So I'll write this working. 1 crore 44 lakhs minus 30 lakhs already received. So it comes to 1 crore 14 lakhs. 2, 10% debenture allotment account, 1 crore 14 lakhs. We will check कि ये डिबेंचर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट क्लोज हुआ कि नहीं. क्रेडिट 30 lakhs, क्रेडिट 1 crore 14 lakhs and डेबिट 1 crore 44. मैच हो गया. Question number 9, page number 113. Janki Marble Limited of Palanpur issued 50,000 11% debenture of 100 each at a premium of 20 per debenture. The full amount was payable on application. Now, whenever full amount is payable on application, instead of using application account, we will use application and allotment account together. Application were received by company for 60,000 debentures. Application for 10,000 debentures were rejected and the amount thereon was refunded to applicants. Debentures were allotted to remaining applications. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transaction in the books of Janki Marble Limited. Okay, very simple. Application and allotment. Face value 100. Premium 20. Total 120. Application received for 60,000 debentures. We can issue only 50,000 debentures. So balance 10,000. Refund. Journal of Janki Marble Limited. Bank account debit 60,000 debentures at the rate rupees 120 per debenture, 72 lakhs. 2, 11% debenture application and allotment account, 72 lakhs. Second, 11% debenture application and allotment account, 72 lakhs. 2, 11% debenture account Now 50,000 debentures. At the rate how much? 100 or 120? 100. At the rate rupees 100. Always with the face value. So 50 lakhs. To securities premium reserve account. 50,000 debentures at the rate rupees 20. 10 lakhs and refund for 10,000 debenture. So to bank account 10,000 debentures at the rate 120. 12 lakhs.